Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. For those who may not be aware, back in about 2017, starting with the Galaxy S8, Samsung started changing up the way that they handle business here in the United States when it comes to a lot of their phones and tablets. So for almost all of the devices that are high-end or considered flagship devices, so the S series, the Note series, and now they've done it with a couple others, they started making everything one universal hardware model. Previously, with the S7 and all the earlier models, each carrier had their own unique version built specifically for them with its own specific model number customized with their software and all of that. But Samsung started to make things a little easier for everyone by making them all one model. So they all come with the exact same model number. They all have the exact same internal components and antennas and everything built for all networks here in the US. And then they also started selling a model that they sell directly themselves at full price. It comes SIM unlocked already, so it's not tied to any one specific carrier, and it also doesn't have any of the carrier apps or software or logos or anything like that installed on it. It's just like a clean version like you might find sold internationally in other countries. So ever since those models have come out, a very popular feature or service requested by our customers for us to perform for them is to remove all of the carrier apps and logos and software from a device that originally came from a wireless carrier in order to make it look like a device that was sold directly by Samsung without any of that stuff on there. So we've been performing that service quite a bit over the past couple years for everyone, and so we wanted to make a video showing that we do indeed offer that service if you want all of the carrier software removed from it. Here with us today we happen to have a Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and this one is originally from Xfinity Mobile here in the US. So as you can see, it shows the Xfinity logo when it turns on, and then if we go and open the apps, we can see that we have a couple Xfinity apps there with the Xfinity Mobile, and then that Pocket Geek I think is all something that they install. So if you have a carrier version of the Note 10 Plus or most of any other Samsung's models, they're going to come with at least a couple apps that are originally from the carrier themselves. Some carriers install a lot more than others. It kind of varies depending how it goes. But like I said, we do offer a service to be able to remove all of that software from their models. So we are going to go ahead and demonstrate that process here right now. This is going to take a few minutes for it to run through, maybe 5 or 6 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video here just so that we can keep this nice and as short as possible. We just wanted to show the before status of the phone to prove that it did indeed have the carrier software originally. So hold on while I speed things up here. Okay, there we go. So we've run through the entire process there. Now we just have to wait for it to go ahead and restart here, and then we'll go ahead and show you the final result that the device now does not have any of the software on there. Now, as part of this process, it does do a factory reset, so it'll take a little bit longer for it to turn back on. That's normal after you do a factory reset to a device. So I'm going to go ahead and speed it up again here just a little bit more so that we can get through the setup process while keeping the video as short as possible. All right, there we go. So it's finished the boot up process here, and I'm sure as you've noticed, the Xfinity logo did not show during the setup process this time. I'm going to go ahead and start skipping through all of the setup steps here, just so that you can also see that there are no longer any carrier apps installed. So we're just going to go ahead and skip Wi-Fi. I'm going to skip transferring any data, and skip the Google stuff, and we don't need a screen lock, so we're going to skip that too. We don't need a Samsung account. Okay, there we go. So we're all the way through the setup process there now. We are at the home screen. We have all the access to all of the apps and settings. And if we go ahead and swipe up to open the app drawer there, we're going to see that we don't have that Xfinity mobile app installed anymore, or the other one that was installed in there previously. The only things that we are left with are all of the Google apps and the Samsung apps. And then this process is something that can be done for just about all of the recent flagships from Samsung. So almost all of the entries in the S series, the Note series, and even some of the other ones like the A and J series can also have this process done to them. So if you have a Note 10 Plus or another high-end Samsung device and would like help getting the carrier software and logos and apps removed from them, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all the details there as well. Make sure to check out the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy. Make sure to hit that subscribe button while you're there to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.